Hey guys, it's Poverty. I'm sure you're noticing something a little different. My monitor died, and I had to get a new one. So I got the cheapest. Not price wise, but just smallest and most affordable. That didn't, got everything I needed, but I didn't get like a wall monitor. Something that takes up the whole wall. So, anyways, it's I now have a larger screen size. So that's probably what you guys are noticing different. So it's huge. But I was happy with the size I had. But anyways, let's get going, shall we? Alright. Let me just start off with a to-do list. So the design actually took me a little bit longer because once I started programming, I realized I didn't cover all the details, like how to get it into the map and other stuff. So the coding actually took 4 hours to do, and bug hunt. Yeah, the bug that was there before, that I had problems with, that I was all proud that, hey, I took care of it. No, didn't happen. Just because I chopped off the infected member, and it went away, it's still there. So I did more coding and the bug reappeared. But let me just show off what I've done. So starting from the top, initialized, CL creatures, initialized. Don't know why I cough and phlegm up when I talk, but anyways, creature. So we got the individual creature, name, description. I used a string this time. That might be causing issues. I initialized it. This may be causing problems. So you get just the usual gibberish. And then I decided to go with a simple creature, which means there'll be a main list, and this will be a number. So if there's only 3 creatures, this number could be 1, 2, or 3. Never 0. I'm trying to avoid any zeros here. It seems to be, I've seen it cause problems, so I'm avoiding it. Current HP, health points, max health points, and its location. X, Y, and Z is actually the map number itself. And this may be causing problems because I initialize it. It should not cause problems, but I don't know what's going on, so I'll have to move. I'll have to clean this up a little, move it outside of the original initialization. Hopefully that cleans it up. So we get all the little happy functions for that. And finally, creature manager. So the creature list currently is only 3 long, so the 4th array is the closing one, so you can't use the 4th one, and I'm avoiding array 0 since that seems to cause problems as well. It shouldn't, but it does. So I've got 12 simple creatures. So this is the creatures that you can fight, the ones that move, and this is the primary list of full details. So you can have like thousands and thousands of originals, but you don't copy all that data over, just keeping it smaller. Let's see, so initialize is void. It's defined in .cpp. Move, copy. I will add more details to that later. Right now we've got add creature, remove creature. Haven't needed to remove it. I'll edit this during the fighting. And then get creature name with unique creature number. It's rather complicated. But basically, we go to the map. Let's see. No, we pass back the unique number. Oh, that comes straight out of the code. We have to go down the list, and it spits out a number, and I use that number right here. So I basically... Anyways, oh, here we go. We go get it from the creatures list. It returns the main list number, and then we use that on the main list to get the name. So I'm sure you've seen this before for the name and description of maps. Here we go. Voila. So we got initialization right here. So setting the main creatures, we've got the roach. This large, hard-shelled creature needs a good stomping. I will name him Boot Paste. And then snake, yep, rather harmless, but just long enough to make a good-sized belt. Rat, this fast-moving, squeaking plague carrier is the destroyer of cheese and all that is holy. Yeah. So those are the three creatures. Let's see, and all the details for this is at startup. Where is it? There we go. It's a level 1. Name and description is blank, but all creatures are going to give 1 point of experience. They start out with full health at 2 and a max of 2. So all we need to do is update this to make it a unique one. We've got a total of 4, but I'm not touching the first or last, so there we go. 1, 2, and 3. Add creature. So this is from the creature list. So I can change this to 2, and it will become a snake. But I have to repeat that number here, just because these two have to match. Anyways, minor details. X, Y, and then the map. So this one, XY, it's 3X, 1Y, so it's literally in the Dragon Throne Room. And it is a roach. So, let's see. Save that. Compile again. Everything is golden, and let's do this. So, voila, normal intro. Let's get to the game. So here we go. Let's go east. And you'll see that creatures are now added. If there's no creature in the room, it just says none. North. And here we go. Dragon Throne Room, north. And there we go. We now have a snake. It's not supposed to be a snake. It's supposed to be a roach. Let's go back, shall we? Oh, that's mapping. There, we've got a glitch. I set the snake to a different one. That's a glitch right there. But anyways. Huh. So yeah. Alright, that may lead me to figure out what the bug is. Getting back to the topic. You notice I locked the room? I headed east. This is, to the east is actually the guard's room. And then, crap, hit the wrong one. The guard's rooms, on the left and right side of the throne room, I've locked the door so you can't go in it, because that's where the bug appears. Do you guys remember, Matrix, Animatrix? There was those kids that were able to hop over a fence of an abandoned house, and the laws of physics doesn't apply. Like they'd leap off the second story and see who gets closest to the ground, but they would never hit. That's kind of what's going on here. In the guard's room is the bug, and I need to hunt down and fix it, but until then I've got the doors locked. That way no one actually sees it. So it's just, yeah, it's a shortcut, but it works. So the room is locked, so you can't go in there to see the bug. So for my system, it just chirps and doesn't read out the full name and doesn't read out the full description. But I need to hunt down that bug, and I think this little glitch may help me resolve it. So more bug hunting. Anyways, that's it. I will catch you guys later.